Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. So today we are going to do chapter At-Tamyiz, and which can be translated as a specifier or something that adds some more information about something which is really vague. This is a concept which will be very handy in number chapter, so I want you to pay close attention to it. So At-Tamyiz, as the name specifies, is actually a specifier, or it adds details in a vague word, and that word can be an ism, that word can be a fail. So a vague word, and then you add a detail to it because it's a bit vague. So that's called a tamiz. A tamiz always comes after the vague word. So the vague word, whatever it is, fail or noun, ism, and after that a tamiz will come. Now remember, tamyiz will always be singular, common, nasab. And I'm going to be referring to it as 1CN. This is a short form that I would be using a lot in number chapter. 1CN, singular, common, nasab. Now, let's see how many types of tamyiz we have. Like how many ways, in how many, situations we can use tamyiz. So it can be used with an ism, it can be used with a fail. In ism, we've got two situations, ism tafdeel, and we have al-adad, which is number. And the number also, I've just written for clarification, 11 onwards. So 1 till 10, we will not use tamyiz. But 11 onwards, we will start using tamyiz. And even there also, we've got some situations where we don't. We'll come to that later. Now, ism tafdeel, we have comparatives only. So there are superlatives also, but we will only use them in specifying a comparative. And in fail, we have got these six fails. Mala'a, Zada is Dada, Kafa, Sa'a, Hasuna. And the meanings are written over here. So as you can see, the meaning Zada, increase. So what did you increase? You have to specify. Mala'a, to fill. What did you fill? To be terrible. Terrible in what? So these are some of the fail which need to specify what was it in terms of this fail happened. Now let's look at ism tafdeel. Ism tafdeel always comes in the pattern of af'alu, like akbaru, atwalu, asgharu, and they are partly flexible, by the way. It can either be akbaru, akbara for nasab, akbara for jar, atwalu for rafa, atwala for nasab, and atwala again for jar. But there are two exceptions, which is khairun and sharrun. Now these are the two exceptions I have come across. If there are more, I would be more than happy to, if you can come up with more. But these are the two that I have come across. Now, three times that you can say, like waladun tawilun, a tall boy, atwalu waladun, a taller boy, and then al waladul atwalu, the tallest boy, and the why? Because you can see al, because there can only be one boy that is the tallest. So the tallest boy. So you can't say a tallest boy. It has to be one person. So al waladul atwalu. Now notice this is mawsoof sifa, noun adjective describing. Now this is something which is comparative, which is ism tafdeel, but it is comparing. This is a taller boy, so it's comparative. And superlative means like the tallest, the best, the shortest. So superlative. Now we are going to deal with comparative ism tafdeel. There is more to ism tafdeel, but what we are dealing with right now is comparative of it. So as you can see, asgharu sayyaratan. Now notice there is no change in asgharu because of sayyaratan being feminine. It will be asgharu kitaban, asgharu sayyaratan. Either the tamyiz is masculine or feminine, doesn't matter. It is not going to have any effect on ism tafdeel. Then we have got khairun manzilan, better house. I'm still finding out if we will have any effect of gender on khairun. As soon as I confirm it, I'll let you know. But for now, this is an example. Now, Now, another way, another area where tamyiz is used. So, as I told, it can be ism tafdeel, it can be in ism, it can be ism tafdeel and numbers. So, in numbers, you can have 11 onwards, except hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and etc. So, when you are saying 200 books, the books will not be in form of tamyiz. Only when you say 232 books, you will use tamyiz. Thousand. So you won't say 5,000 libraries. So libraries won't be in the form of tamyiz. It will be actually in the form of mudafile. You will read that, you will learn that later. But the tamyiz will be used if you say 5,062 or 5,071 libraries. So then you will use a tamyiz and so on. Now, 12, what 12? You have to specify. So 12 books, kitaban. And notice that it is 1CN, singular common nasab. And if you want to know what it's written, how it is written in Arabic, it's Isna'a Ashara Kitaban. Now, don't ask me why is Ashara a light. You are going to learn that. Why Isna light? You are going to learn that. 25, Maktabatan. So, if you want to know how it is written in Arabic, Khamsun wa Ishruna Maktabatan. So again, a tamyiz is being used for numbers 11 onwards, right? After 11, 11 also can be used, by the way, but after 10, you use tamyiz. 36, qalaman, qalman. So again, if you want to know how do you write in Arabic? So it's going to be sittatun wa thalathuna qalman. So as you see, all of these, they are singular, common, nasab. The gender is only varying, otherwise all three properties are same. Now let's come to fail. Now in fail, you see all these fail which can be used. Now, one of the sentence I came up with was Izdada Bilalun ilmahu. So it's mudaf mudafile, it became light. But as you can see, it is singular, nasab, common, 1CN. Will be translated as Bilal increased his knowledge. Another example I came up with was Mala'at Fatimatun Dalwan. So Fatima filled up a bucket. So as you can see, again, 1CN Dalwan, singular common nasab, it's specifying what did she fill up. Ilmahu is specifying what did Bilal increase, and did he increase in money? What did he increase in? So this is the way. I hope this concept is clear. It's a fairly easy concept. You should be able to grasp it instantly. If there are any outstanding questions, I am more than happy to address them. You can post it on the group and one of us will be able to help you. Jazakallahu khairun. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.